This is the Super Bowl of Advanced Therapies. This is where the senior leaders in Advanced Therapies convene at the start of the year, which helps them shape their strategy for the rest of the year.
So what brought us to ATW 26 was the ability to really expand our reach in terms of letting people know what we do.
We have a lot of customers, a lot of accounts, and certainly people willing to help advance the field of cell and gene therapy.
It feels so good to bring everyone to San Diego. Through the connections that we create here at Facilitate, we help get these therapies to patients faster, and that is our purpose.
ATW, you got some of the best exhibits, the best people, the best showcases, and some of the best locations. First time in San Diego, and I'm loving it.
We have incorporated the innovation zone, focused on new innovative companies from therapies developers to technology providers. In their pitch and their companies, they're showing us new data, they're launching new tech.
We've had a lot of great customer retention and connection while we've been at the show, and we've also had a lot of really great new leads.
It's really important to understand what others are doing and really listening, being able to feed back knowledge that'll support them.
It's been a great show, creating partnerships, sharing knowledge, attending great panels, creating a better patient experience overall.
Customers have had over 50 meetings here. You can't do that in the office. They're partnership meetings that help these companies fast track their strategy.
Being able to meet people face to face and have these conversations, you really can't do this virtually.
It's been amazing to be surrounded by my peers for so many days. That gives you so much opportunity to exchange and collect new ideas.
When you have a tribe, that is what really helps build your community.
So grateful to be amongst so many people that honestly have this win as one approach.
The special sauce of this show is that community feeling. It's a family. We're an industry that all care about each other. You don't know the feeling of this show until you're here.
Events like this, it's easier to build better bonds and better relationships.
As a TIL therapy recipient, I feel like it's not only my honor, but my duty to be able to pay it forward.
We've been to Facilitate Advanced Therapies Week pretty much year on year.
We have participated several years. You're missing out if you're not here. Yeah, if my boss lets me.
This is our US event, and of course, this is our global show. But we do have shows in Europe, in Barcelona in September. We have the Middle East launching in November. If you have any interest in those shows, go to the website, register your interest, and we would love for you to be part of that community.
Hey, this has been an awesome year of innovation for all of us. Thank you, Facilitate, for having me.